In this video I'm going to show you how to call a function or a variable from another script in Unity 5. What I have here is a default scene, default 3D scene. I have a player with nothing in it, just a script. The script is empty, same with the enemy script, and I have nothing in the player script. In the enemy script I have a simple function called example function, and all it does is print ABC onto this thing. So there are two ways of doing this. I'm going to show you both ways. Maybe there are more ways, but I don't know. I only know two ways. So the first way of doing this, say in the player script, so in the player, I want to call a function in the enemy script. So the way to do this is go to your play script. You're gonna make a variable called public. It must be public, and in the script name of the function you're gonna call. So in my case it's enemy script. So public enemy script, and just give it a name. I'm gonna call it underscore enemy script, end up with a semicolon. Next is we want to call the function, call this function in here in the play script. So underscore enemy script dot, and you have to find the function name. So I called the function name example function, so just dot example function and end up with a semicolon on that. Save it. Now if you try to run, it should give you a null error right here. What you need to do is, because you made a public variable, you need to reference that. The way to do that is go to your player. Here it says none empty script. We need to give it a reference. Because the enemy script is attached to the enemy, we can just go to the player, just drag the enemy and drop it in here, and it will grab the enemy's enemy script. So now if you press play, and it should print out this, what we had in the enemy script, the enemy function. The other way of doing this, like say for some reason you can't do this, you don't have this script on the, say if you don't have this script, say if you don't want it to do this, I'm sorry, say if you want to find it automatically, you don't want to reference it like manually, you want to find it automatically. The way to do this is go back to your player script. So you don't need to use public or anything like that. What you need is private, the name of the script you want to use, then give it a name again. I'm just gonna call it enemy script again, enemy script, and now you need to, in the start function, you need to use this. Okay, you need to call enemy equals find object of type, point brackets, and the script name enemy script, and two brackets, semicolon. Now it will, when the script is run on the start, it will automatically find the script, so that you don't have to reference it manually. So now, say if you want to use the function, you just go underscore enemy script dot example function, and that's about it. Now if you run, it should print out this again, ABC 1 2 3 4 5. This time you don't have to reference it in the player script. Yeah, okay, that's about it. Good luck.